Hi all, myself Sandhiya, Assistant Professor, Department of C&IT, Kamadhenu Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. So today topic is Java and its uses. So overview, what is Java, why use Java, where it is used and types of Java application and history of Java. Now we are going to see what is Java. So Java is a popular programming language and a platform created in 1995. Platform means any hardware or software environment in which program runs known as platform. Since Java has its own runtime environment, JRE, and API is called as platform. And why we use Java? Java works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular languages in the world. It has a large demand in the current job market and it is easy to learn, simple to use, open source, free. So then we are using Java. And it is secure, fast and powerful. It has a huge community support, tens of millions of developers in a real world. Java is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs to allow code to be rescued, lowering development cost and so on. So as Java is close to C++ and C/, it makes easier for programmers and switch to Java or vice versa or in any programming languages. And where it is used. According to Sun Microsystems, and more than 3 billion devices run Java in real world. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are here. Mobile application, especially for Android apps, desktop applications, web servers, application servers, games, robotics, and database connection, and so on. So here Java is used. Then types of Java applications. There are so many types. Desktop application, in that standalone, web application, server side, enterprise application, security and load balancing. Mobile applications means Android. So then standalone application, it is also known as desktop application or window based application, an application that we need to install on every machine such as media player or antivirus and so on. AWT and Swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. Then web application. Web application that runs in a browser and don't need to be installed. A web application can be defined as an application that can be accessed through the internet using web browsers. An application that runs on the server side and creates dynamic page. It's called as web application. So benefits of web applications are it is easy and free access and cost effective, and so many uses are benefits in web application. And mobile application, it is a program created to run mobile. Nowadays mobile has operating system OS. These programs help native users to perform daily tasks very easily. And an application that is created for mobile devices. Currently Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile applications. And enterprise application. Enterprise application software is large scale software that is aimed to support or resolve the problems of the whole entire organization. The display, manipulation and storage of large amount of complex data, the support and or automation of business processes that rely on the data. An application that is distributed in nature and such as banking applications, etc. and so on, college apps. So these are comes under the enterprise application. So history of Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling and colleagues at Sun Microsystems in the early 90s. Java is intended to be compiled to a bytecode which they run generally using JIT complication by a JVM machine, a Java virtual machine. Java started a project called Oak by James Gosling in June 1991. James Gosling, Mike Stedrin and Patrick Naughton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. The small team of Sun engineers called Green Team. Then originally designed for small embedded systems in electronic applications like set-top boxes and so on. Firstly it was called Green Talk by James Gosling and file extension was .gt. After that it was called Oak and was developed as a part of Green project. In that Oak name, Oak is a symbol of strength and chosen a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. and so on. Why Java names? They gathered so many names and they suggested a few names: dynamic, relatively, silk, cool, unique. The most of the team members suggest Java. So Java is an island in Indonesia. There the first coffee was introduced. So it called Java coffee. Java originally developed by Game Gosling and Sun Microsystem, which is a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation, released in 1995. In 1995, Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. In that first versions, JDK 1.0 released in January 23, 1996. Thank you.